This question is from GATE 2025, Electronics and Communication branch, question number 59. And it has been asked from the subject Engineering Mathematics on the topic Calculus, Maxima and Minima. And it's a 2 marks question. Okay. So, question number 59. Okay. Consider the vectors given A and B for real valued scalar variable x. The value of this minimizing the vector ax minus b considering this Euclidean norms, or I can say L2 norms. Okay, so and it's an NAT type question. Here it is given. So this denotes the Euclidean norms for a vector like y is equal to y1 y2. So Euclidean norms will be the square root of y1 square plus y2 square. Okay, here you can go through this NPTEL reference lecture 5 norms, uh, machine learning for engineering and science applications by Dr. Balaji Srinivasan, IIT Madras. Also you can watch his YouTube videos to get more insight of different types of norms like L1 norms, L2 norms, or L infinity norms. Okay, so I'm going to solve this question. Solution. So let me write what are the things given. So given A is equal to 1 1 and V is equal to 0 3 root 2. Okay, so I need to find minimum values of this vector ax minus b considering Euclidean norms. Okay, I need to find the value. Okay, so first let me find ax minus b vector. So ax minus b will be a is 1 1 and x minus b is 0 3 root 2. Okay, so it will be x minus 0 3 root 2. Correct. So x minus 3 root 2. So this is the vector ax minus b. Okay. So considering this Euclidean norms, therefore considering Euclidean norms, so ax minus b, so this will be the square root of this x square plus x minus 3 root 2 whole square. So it is given. So if I have a vector of two values, so what will be the norms like this square plus this square? Okay, this is my Euclidean norms. Okay, so now I need to do the simplification. So here x square plus x square minus 6 root 2x plus 3 root 2 whole square. Okay, so finally I have this 2x square minus 6 root 2x plus 3 square 9 into 2, so 18. Okay, so this is my ax minus b considering this L2 norms. Now we need to minimize this, like this whole. Okay, we need to minimize this whole. Okay, so you can see one square term is square root is there. So since square root is a monotonic, so we can minimize the polynomial which is inside the square root. So I can assume let f of x is equal to this polynomial, so 2x square minus 6 root 2x plus 18. So to minimize this everything like inside the square bracket everything, if I minimize this, then it will be it will not change any value, it will not alter anything. Okay, so I need to apply the process for minimizing a function. So to minimize this, I need to do f dash x is equal to 0. Okay, so it will be 4x minus 6 root 2 equal to 0. Okay, So what will be the value of x equal to 6 root 2 divided by 4? So I will get 3 root 2 by 2. Okay. So at this point, I need to check whether minima or maxima exist. For this reason, again, we need to find f double dash x. F double dash x is equal to, if I do f double dash x from here, so it will come as 4, which is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what exists? Minima exists. Okay. So minima exists. And if it is less than 0, then maxima exists. Okay. So in this case, minima exists. So I can tell that at x equal to 3 root 2 by 2, I have a minima. And the minimum value, therefore, minimum value will be what I had earlier. Earlier we had this the square root of 2x square minus 6 root 2x plus 18. So here I need to put x equal to 3 root 2 by 2. Correct? So what will happen? Square root of this. So 2x square, 2 into 3 root 2 by 2 whole square minus 6 root 2 into 3 root 2 by 2 plus 18. Correct? So finally I have this. So 2 into 9 into 2 divided by 4 minus 6 root 2 into 3 root 2 by 2 plus 18. So if I do simplification, this 2 get cancelled. So sorry, 2 4 the cancelled, again these 2. Similarly, 2 with root 2 and root 2 get cancelled. So finally I have square root. So 9 minus 6 3 the 18 plus 18. Okay, so 18 get cancelled. So finally I have square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So the minimum value, so so the minimum value is 3. Okay, so this is my answer. So since it is an NAD type question, I need to insert the value here. So 3 is the answer. Okay, thank you.